The story of shiny gold, from mines to necklaces. Embark on an immersive and in-depth expedition into the captivating journey of gold, a metal cherished for its beauty, rarity, and enduring allure. In this extensive YouTube video, we take you through each remarkable phase that transforms gold from its subterranean home to breathtaking ornaments, exploring the intricacies and expertise involved at every step of the way. Welcome, fellow adventurers, to an awe-inspiring journey that delves deep into the enchanting world of gold. In this video, we uncover the mesmerizing tale of this precious metal, taking you through its extraordinary transformation, from the geological wonders beneath the Earth's surface to the exquisite craftsmanship that breathes life into radiant ornaments. Phase 1. Prospecting and exploration. Our expedition commences with geologists, intrepid explorers of the Earth's crust. Equipped with cutting-edge technology and a keen eye for detail, they venture into diverse landscapes to seek hidden treasures. Join them as they decipher geological clues, analyze mineralogy, and employ geophysical methods to locate potential gold deposits. Explanation of geological structures and how they indicate potential gold deposits. Use of remote sensing and advanced surveying techniques in prospecting. Geological mapping and sample collection to validate the presence of gold. Phase 2. Mining. As our geologists' efforts bear fruit, the mining phase comes into play. Witness the diverse mining techniques employed, each tailored to the unique characteristics of the gold deposit. Delve into the challenges and triumphs of extracting this precious metal from the depths of the earth. Explanation of underground shaft mining and its safety considerations. Exploration of open-pit mining and its environmental impact. Introduction to innovative methods like heap leaching and in-situ mining. Phase 3. Ore processing. With the ore in hand, the journey leads us to the critical phase of ore processing. Expert metallurgists take the stage, employing intricate chemical processes to separate gold from the surrounding rock and minerals, maximizing recovery and purity. Crushing and grinding methods to liberate gold particles. Introduction to mineral beneficiation techniques for gold extraction. Detailed exploration of cyanidation, carbon in pulp, and flotation processes. Phase 4. Refining. Refined but not yet perfect, the gold enters the refining stage. Accompanied by chemists and engineers, we witness the transformation that elevates gold to its unparalleled purity and brilliance. Aqua regia and its role in dissolving impurities. Electrolysis and selective attraction for further purification. Discussion of gold purity standards and certification. Phase 5. Artisanal craftsmanship. As the journey takes a creative turn, we enter the realm of master artisans and jewelers. Experience the magic of human hands shaping gold into breathtaking ornaments, a fusion of artistic vision and technical precision. Overview of jewelry design principles and techniques. Casting, soldering, and stone setting processes. The art of engraving and filigree work. Phase 6. Quality assurance. Our journey nears its end, but not before exploring the meticulous quality assurance process that ensures each ornament attains the pinnacle of perfection, ready to adorn the world with its radiant beauty. Gemological analysis and gemstone grading. Carat purity and hallmark certification. Examination of craftsmanship and durability. Conclusion. Our odyssey of gold reaches its conclusion, revealing the captivating synergy of science, technology, and artistry that culminates in the creation of timeless ornaments. As we bid adieu to this remarkable journey, we are reminded of the enduring allure of gold, a metal that has fascinated humanity for ages. If you were as captivated as we were by this extraordinary tale of gold's journey, be sure to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow adventurers. Until we meet again on another voyage of wonder, thank you for being part of this unforgettable experience.